Okay, first of all, we'd like to welcome, with the red carpet of welcome, David Ridner. It's nice, Ridner, right? Nice to have you with us. He's moved into Foxwood, so we want to wish you atzlacha here in the neighborhood, and you're always welcome here. Also, his wife had a procedure, so we want to wish her a refuah shalema, complete b'mheira b'karav. We are dedicated by the Fish family, Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi, Shlomo ben Avram Alev, Perel Bas Ruvain. We learn Nishmas David ben Chaim, Lefu Shalem for Eliyahu Moshe ben Chayesar, for the schus of Avram ben Yam ben Shbemal Yudas and family, by Yoel Klugman and family, Lefu Shalem for Moshe Meir ben Estfadl and Meir ben Chayesara. So we are holding in Mishna Aleph in the 5th parak. They first would examine the witness with 7 questions to establish the basics of what happened. And that is, they asked him first to solidify the time. It's very important to solidify the time, because then we could make the Eidim Zaymim by saying that at that time you weren't there, at that time you were with us in Dubai. So they asked him, Be'ezah Shvua, which Shvius of the Yovel cycle? Was it the first Shvius, the second Shvius, the third Shvius? Be'ezah Shana, which year of the Shemitah? Be'ezah Chodesh, which month? Be'kama b'Chodesh, what day of the month? Be'ezah Yom, which day of the week? And Be'ezah Shah, what hour? And then Be'ezah Makom, where did it take place? Rabbi Yosi cut it down to 3 questions. Be'ezah Yom, what day of the week? Be'ezah Shah, what hour? And Be'ezah Makom, and what place? Then we ask him, did you know the victim? Do you personally know him, that you could identify the victim? Hisrei Sembai, did you give a warning to the perpetrator that if he does it, he would get a capital offense, and according to some, which capital offense? In the case of Ha'oived Avodah Zarah, in the case where he was accusing him of worshipping idolatry, Esmi Ovid, which idol did he worship? Obameh Ovid, and which way? Different idols are worshipped in different ways. There are universal worships like bowing down and smoking up to it, but there are also specific, like for example, Merkulis was worshipped by throwing stones at it. Now, the nafkamina is if you worship it in a way that it's not worshipped, you're not chayim misa. Now, kalamar b'bedikais, if you, whoever, then they interrogated them separately, and then compared notes, and if they contradict, then they threw out the testimony. So kalamar b'bedikais, if they increased the questions. What color suit did he wear? Was it a rainy day? Harizem Shubach. It's praiseworthy because it makes sure that it is accurate testimony. Maisa Bodik ben Zakkai be'uktzei te'enim. There was an incident that Ben Zakkai asked about the background information. Were the stems of the figs thick or thin? Now, Ma ben chakiras l'bedikas. What's the difference with the initial examination and the interrogation? Chakiras, the examination, echad aymeini adeh, I don't know. I don't know what time it was. Edusam b'teila, they throw out the testimony. Bedikas, echad aymeini adeh, I don't know, I didn't notice what color the tiles were in the room. And even afilu shnayim remain on the yodim. Both say, I don't know what the tiles in the room are. Edusan kayemas. The testimony is still okay. Echad chakiras ve'echad bedikas, but both the examination and the interrogation, bisman shemachishin zeh, if the witnesses contradict one another, edusan b'teila, they throw out the testimony. Again, those that can wait to daven with us at 7:45, tavo la bracha, so we should have a second minyan at 7:45, and daf yomi at 8. Reb Chananya ben Akasha Amar Ratzak Rish Baruch Hu L'Zakay Sis Yisrael Lefika Chir B'Lem Torah Mitzvahs Shenema